Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2004 Infiniti G35, I think. Yeah, G35, and we are going to replace the factory intake. We're gonna be putting cold intake for this one. So I already had this aftermarket cold intake right here. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so first thing first, cover. We're using 10 mm socket. Nice. One down. Let's put this over here. Next one, I think this plastic. Okay, it's still part of the intake. Go. Are you using this? Move it. Oh yeah. And this one. And then I have to remove this connector. To go. Then this. See it? There's a couple of connector here. This one. Let's try this. Oh. Oh. And this one too. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Oh wow. That was fast. Bingo. Alright. So what else do we need to remove? I think this one. That's number 10. Number 10. And there is a hose in here. So we have to loosen that. Using a plier. Come on. Alright. It goes on the other way. Not in that side. Go in here. Hold on. This one. Oh, come on. I'm not as good as Ray, the Rain Man. One hand mechanic guy in YouTube. Okay, there you go. Just loosen it. Alright. See if we could remove it. Plus screwdriver. Come on. Come on. I'll push it. Go. Come on. Okay. Go. Go. Then here. Loosen this. Nice. Loosen it really loose. Alright. Okay. There you go. Alright. Alright, so we need to remove this hose. So over there, right there, I hope you could see that. There's E clump right there. Oh boy, right there. I hope you could see it. I'll be pinching it. This one right here. And then just push it all the way there. Nice. And now we can use that screwdriver and push this. There you go. Whew, that really tight. Then we can remove this. This one. Alright, so we can use this. Okay. According to my research, we will be needing this. So we have to remove this because we are going to use this part because of this sensor. Mass airflow sensor, I guess. I think this is number 10. Nice. Alright. Okay. So I think we just need this one. This part that has this sensor. So let's remove this one. So alright, so this is our setup. But the problem is this. It won't fit. So I think we're gonna buy another one like this to put in here, and then an extra clamp. So I got only one clamp left in here, so two in here, two over there. And also I reused this clamp from the old hose. Alright, let's start with this one, the red hose. Oopsie. Oh, I need two hands. What? Oh yeah, I need to hold on. I don't know, I won't be able to show you, but basically right there. I need the space. Go, go, come on. Go. Get it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's in. Now let's get that clamp right there. Hold on. This is like Rain Man. Rain Man. One hand. Oh shit. Oh no way. It's too far. Come on. I can't do it. Hold on. I need two hands. I'm not Ray. Alright. I did it with two hands. Right there. And now, first we need to put this on. Seems like they are the same. There you go. Nice. You need the clamp. You up close. Right there. And then just lock it. Bingo. That was easy. It's my flat screwdriver. So alright guys, so make sure this is tight because you don't want to get an air leak in here. That's good enough. Nice. Alright. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Seems like it's pretty tight. Come on, baby. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. See. Oh, break. Oh, come on. Alright. Oh yeah. It fits. So we don't need to buy this kind of, you know, rubber. Oh yeah, it fits. Damn. Shit. Oh yeah. Then this one goes on here. Really? What the? Got it. And this one. Alright. Wow. Holy smoking. That's it. Where are we gonna put the bracket? Because we got two brackets in here. And this one has no hole. What the? Looks good. Problem is this. Oh, it's okay. It's not that bad though. Then put this on in here, and that's it. Retighten it. Right, that's it. I guess. I don't know where to put this one. I'll figure it out, and let's see. But if not, then that's how it goes. Yeah. Seems like, because I did check some YouTube channel, they didn't put this anymore. Otherwise you have to like make a hole. Anyway, that's how it looked like. Let's move this. Well, let's start the engine probably. Hold on. Alright, starting now. So let's put some gas on. Not that bad. Actually, it's strong enough. It won't vibrate. That's it. Alright, done. That's how you replace a intake for 2004 Infiniti G35. This is the aftermarket, the cold intake one. Looks good. So everything is back. That's how it looked like. And also I did put clamp in here. Everything is tight now. That's how it looked like. Nice one. Yeah, that's it.